നമസ്കാരം. ലോക മലയാളികൾക്കായി നടത്തപ്പെടുന്ന ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ഡിജിറ്റൽ കലോത്സവമായ ജംബോരിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. കോവിഡ് കാലത്തെ കലയുടെ മഹോത്സവത്തിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ നന്ദി. ഇനി കാണാം നമുക്ക് കലയുടെ ഒരു പുതിയ ലോകം. ജംബോരി, സ്പോൺസർഡ് ബൈ ലെന ക്രിയേഷൻസ്. മാറുന്ന ലോകത്തോടൊപ്പം മാറുന്ന രീതികളും.
Myself Sriti Shaji is going to present to you a speech on the topic Things that we learned from COVID-19. Year 2020 started with the world learning about a new virus, the novel coronavirus, when China raised an alarm about a contagious disease being spread by a new strain of coronavirus. What started back in December in just one region, Wuhan in China, with mere few cases, has today spread to more than 213 countries and territories all over the world, infecting more than 213 people. India, which is the second worstest country, has reported more than 11 million coronavirus cases. COVID-19 is a mega pandemic which most of the people in the world have never seen in their lifetime. During the past year, the COVID-19 pandemic has turned our lives upside down and changed not only the way we live or work, but also the way we think and behave. Every part of the world has been affected and every aspect of life has been impacted. Our everyday routines were brought to a stop and any sense of normalcy was lost. While COVID-19 has given rise to new challenges and uncertainties, it has also yielded some valuable lessons. We learned how to adapt to a whole new COVID-19 ridden world. Here I am trying to enlighten some of the things which COVID-19 has taught us. Prioritizing our relationships with family and friends. This is a must and I don't think we were doing this enough. Before the coronavirus dominated our lives, many of us may have taken human interaction for granted. But because of the pandemic, we are leaning to them and I think we should take a minute and appreciate what we are being given. A chance to reconnect and understand each other. An opportunity to work on interpersonal relationships. Let go of past issues, forgive each other, make new memories and get creative with how we are spending time. No more excuses for not having enough time to do so. Second, the importance of health and wellness. If any old lesson came handy during the COVID-19 crisis, it was that hygiene helps. I hope everyone who once took their health and their access to medication for granted now realizes how lucky we have been thus far. We have learned to take steps now to redefine your view of fitness and health. Take care of yourself now so that your body and mind can fight for you later. Third is equality. Illness and natural disasters are great equalizers. This pandemic situation has shown us that we all are same, regardless of our religion, culture, custom, whether we are poor or rich. The virus simply does not choose. It connected us in a way. It showed us that we all are equal. During this chaos, it showed us the weight of humanity. It reminded us who we are. Fourth, as decreasing pollution benefits us and the planet. Climate change is real. This is all due to increased carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. One of the good things to come from this situation is that it has put a halt in production and factories have shut down. So, air pollution levels are at an all-time low and animals are coming out to play. This planet doesn't need us, we need it. Let's start respecting the ground we live on and take care of it, because by doing so, we will extend our ability to live on it and we will make life better for ourselves. Fifth is communities are connected. The COVID-19 virus had shown us that we are truly connected. People have helped the virus travel around the world and people have reached out to connect others using technology. Communities have adopted ways of reaching out during doing clang ups, lighting lamps, playing music on their veranda to entertain neighbors and organizing virtual concerts. The virus has shown us that no man is an island. 6. You should be willing to trade some of your freedom for greater good of the public. There is no doubt that it has been difficult staying at home. Some might even feel that it's a breach of the individual right, being made stay at home. However, when it comes to the greater good, one should be always willing to sacrifice a little bit of freedom. A balance between individual rights and public safety is an ever-changing thing. Trade a little bit of your freedom for the greater good of the public. Seventh is, learn how to be content alone. It's so hard for some people to just be still and do nothing. Being alone, especially for extroverts, can be exhausting and lonely. Social distancing can be very difficult, but it can also teach you a lot about yourself. You learn how to keep yourself busy. You should always try to discover your inner talents and encourage them. Your body and mind is your home, and you have to learn how to love it and live with it. Eighth is, this world is interconnected. We often think of each country as a separate entity and being very different from one another. Within a few months of the virus first being identified, the virus spread nearly every country and a global pandemic was declared. Despite the differences and distances between places, we are battling the same virus and having the same struggles. It's a reminder of how our world economy and society are interconnected on many levels. Ninth is, humans are adaptive and life is more flexible than we think. This pandemic has been a time of extraordinary change, and we have had to rapidly change and adapt to the evolving solution. Many individuals have lost jobs and have been forced to find creative ways to pay the bills. Many others began working from home. Schools turned online via virtual learning. Many physicians started offering telemedicine. This pandemic has been a testament to just how resilient we are as humans and our ability to be flexible and creative in the face of uncertainty. And it also teaches to be self-dependent. So, this pandemic has taught us so many things which are so essential for our lives. Remember that the best life lesson is learned during the hard times and when we make mistakes. Enjoy your life and appreciate what you have. Just think about the fact that there are people with the world with less. Be happy and positive for everything around you, and you will become a stronger person. Life is a lesson we learn every day, and we will continue learning every day. Everything doesn't have to be perfect in life for us to be happy and to appreciate ourselves and everything around us. We just have to be grateful. Thank you.